Hi guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. This week we're making mushroom risotto, a really classic and simple to prepare dish, but oh so indulgent to enjoy. So it's going to be perfect for that dinner party dish where you really want to impress, or just a simple, easy to make midweek meal. So let's get started. Olive oil into our pan. Finely diced shallot. I'm just going to add a little garlic. And we're going to cook this out for a couple of minutes. The smells are just amazing, those caramelizing onions. We're just going to start to layer flavors into this dish. So super classic. Right, so with our garlic nicely cooking down, we're just going to add our rice into here. So about 250 grams, that's about half a bag. And we're just going to gently toast this rice, so it's going to develop a beautiful nutty flavour. Okay, that's nicely toasted now. Next, we're going to add in some white wine. I've got a little can of white wine here. So, throw that in. Well, you can really smell that white wine coming through, and it's just so appetizing. And we've only just started. Right, so with the alcohol cooked away, we're going to add our stock. So the most important thing for any risotto is using a really good, intensely flavoured stock. And you can see that right here. So, add in a little bit of your stock at a time. And now this is a real labour of love. What we want to do is add a little bit of stock, reduce it down, add a little bit more stock, reduce it down, add a little bit more stock, reduce it down, so on and so forth. What we're wanting is the natural starches within the rice to really create that thick, creamy sauce for our risotto, and that needs a little bit of work. You can see this is nicely reduced slightly, so time to add a bit more stock. Some of our dried mushrooms that we've made the stock from. Now we're starting to get to a point where we can just check this, we've done this. What we're looking for is that little bit of al dente, so a little bit of a bite. Turn off our hob, move that to the side. Just drop this out here. Mushroom risotto base done. We're just going to go and chill this, come back to it later. Okay guys, so we have our risotto base here. We're just going to set that to a side for now. We've got a mix of some wild mushrooms, some sliced chestnut mushrooms, so a nice variety is always good. So, pan on the heat, going to add a generous amount of olive oil and some butter. And throw in some mushrooms. The smell that's coming off here is just incredible. See that lovely colour we're getting on top of that? Just pop these out. Our rice into our pan. So, got enough for about 4 portions here. So let's just get, for now, 2 portions out. Add in a little bit more mushroom stock. Now this rice is warmed through, keep the heat low, and we're going to add our finishing elements. Parmesan cheese. Parmesan's quite naturally salty, so it really adds that seasoning. So you might not need to add any salt, maybe just a little to finish. a little bit of chopped parsley, mascarpone cheese, stir that through. Next we want to balance flavours, so a little bit of lemon, you could use sherry vinegar as well, a bit of salt, some cracked black pepper, a little white truffle oil. Maybe be careful of this because it can be quite punchy, so just a couple of drops. Just perfect. So it's got that real meatiness and roundness of the mushrooms. Just that little bit of acidity just lifts the dish as well. I would call that perfect consistency. Got some fluidity to the mix as well. Some herbs in there. So good, so good. Ready to plate up. Portion. Finish with a nice mix of your wild mushrooms. It's really disappointing when you go to a restaurant and they give you just 2 mushrooms. That's be really generous. I always find risotto can lack a little bit of texture, so I created some lovely little garlic croutons. And here's when we take a everyday dish, but just adds that science kitchen leveling up, so it makes something that's really memorable. And I've got some little microgreens that I've got from a local market. These all have lovely punch, flavour, spice, just that. A little bit of colour to a dish. And there we have it. Mushroom risotto done. And now for the taste test. Oh, so good. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on The Science Kitchen.